What's up, guys? It's Elon here. Today I'm going over a reverse linked list at easy problem. It's really important to know. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and smash that like button. It helps my channel grow. So let's just jump right into it. We just have to reverse a singly linked list. Shouldn't need any explanation. Basically, the easiest way to do this is, I don't have my iPad open up to whiteboard it. Okay, so basically we want to create a prev and a next node, and we're going to want to basically move along, and while we move along we're going to want to turn the arrow backwards. So that's all we have to do. So let's do that in the code, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the whiteboard as we go. And I already have it all written out. So let's create a list node, prev equals null, and a next, which is also null. So we're going to loop through while head does not equal null, because once head is null, we're at the end of the list. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is point next to the next node, which is 2. So we have head. This is head. 1 is head. Sorry. Let me change colors. Head. So let's put next at head.next equals head. So now we have access to the next node. Prev is right where it should be. It's null. So let's set head.next to prev, because we're turning the list around backwards. Basically, this is moving the arrow, turning the arrow the other way. So what this did is it took this arrow and it told it to point this way. So now it's pointing to null. 1 and head's still here, and 2 is next. So now we just need to move along in the list. Head.next. No, it's supposed to be prev. I'm sorry. Prev is null. So, and then we want to move prev to head. So now prev is here. And then the last thing we want to do is just move head to, I believe it's next. Yeah, it's next. So we just want to move, because heads, we're just moving one at a time. So head's going to go to next. And let me show you guys on the whiteboard. So head's going to go here. And that's it. That's the whole loop. At the end, prev will be the pointing to the end of the list, or the beginning, I guess you could say, because all the arrows are pointing backwards now. So we're going to want to return prev. So that's how you solve that problem. Make sure you guys know that one inside and out. I went over this. I solved this one like 10 times just to make sure I know it. Yeah, you see how many times I solved it. It could easily be a weed out question, but thanks for watching, guys.